Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Steam can't add phone number and not working in Windows PC. If you're struggling to link your number in Steam, don't worry, let's go through it step by step. Step 1, open the Steam app on your Windows PC. Click on your profile name in the top right corner, then choose Account Details from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you see the Contact Info section, and click on Add Phone Number. Step 2, if the option to add a phone number isn't working, make sure you're doing this on a desktop or laptop. Sometimes if you try to verify your number through your mobile phone, it doesn't work properly. Using a C browser or the Steam app on your computer usually solves this issue. Step 3, if you're still unable to add your phone number, go to the top menu and click Help, then select Steam Support. Scroll down and click on My Account, then click on Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. At the bottom of that section, click on My Issue Isn't Listed. Step 4, now you'll see a message box where you can contact Steam support directly. Type a message like, "Hi, I can't add a phone number to my account. My number is your number. Please help." Once done, click the Send button to submit your request. Step 5, to check for a response, go back to the Help section and click on View My Steam Support Help Requests. You'll see your submitted ticket and any replies from the Steam support team. They'll also notify you by email when your issue is updated or resolved. That's it. Your issue with adding a phone number in Steam on a Windows PC should now be fixed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.